Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the blower assembly in your retractable downdraft vent, be sure to shut off the power to the unit. Detach the venting from the backdraft damper. Use a T10 Torx bit to unthread the screws to release the damper from the vent box. Now unthread the 4 screws securing the vent box cover. Slide the cover up to detach. Next, support the blower assembly, then unthread the 4 screws securing the assembly to the vent box. With the screws unthreaded, remove the blower assembly from the box. Cut the zip tie to release the power cable, then disconnect the cable to fully remove the old blower. Install the new blower assembly by first connecting the power cable. Use a zip tie to secure the cable. Now position the blower assembly in the vent box and thread the 4 screws to secure. Reinstall the vent box cover by positioning it over the shoulder screws and sliding it down. Thread and tighten the screws to secure. Properly realign the damper on the vent box, then thread and tighten the screws. Reattach the venting to the damper. With the repair completed, turn the power supply back on, and the retractable downdraft vent should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.